Ramsey against Rinaldi. Rinaldi in the corner, but quickly on it was Iarulo. He's got it now in the near side corner. Plays this one back to Nolan. Shot coming, gets hit on the doorstep. Scores! Creeps across the crease. And it's a 1-0 for the Hurricanes. What we're going to bring as we go into the corner heavily. The Dukes have let the goal that was scored against them go to their skates, and here they come. Scores! Answer back right like that. Declan Carlisle. He's on the bottom of, oh no, it's not him on the bottom of the pile, but he fires one over, and that breaks the 2-game shutout streak of the Captain Kirk. And the linesman can drop the puck. Set play goes to Thiessen. Thiessen fired that one wide on purpose, looking for a rebound. Whoa! Yeah! Alex Iarulo burnt me. I couldn't believe the release almost before it came out to the left side face-off circle, left side from the Hurricanes' perspective. Dukes went to game 7 against the Green Panthers. Oh, wow! That is that set play off the draw. Right as I was trying to describe how the Dukes got to where they are. Up to DiDonato. Near side, Iarulo stops up. Finds his man. DiDonato scores! There's the goal they were looking for. It's a 4-1 game, and there's still 48 seconds of power play opportunity left in this one. Gets into it with his man. Dancing around everybody. Cerrone to the front of the net. Here it is. Nolan, shot. Goes off of Trotman. And right into the net. Nolan hit Trotman, and the puck goes behind Richardson. Howard found his man. Here's to Gasparich. Had to take the puck, though, and it slowed him down a little. Finds a man. Here's Micro Giannakis. He's got an absolute laser. Well. Whoa! Rinaldi just hit the referee with the puck. He fired it into the corner. It was an accident. Frustration. Ramsey gets hooked up just enough as Roger lost his footing. Canes with the puck. It's Ramsey. Oh, he's dangerous. He finds Nolan. Oh, great stop there. Next effort. Next stop. And they score. It's Ramsey. Well, I don't know what more you could expect out of Tyler Richardson, really. Trotman stops up. Watch out. Well, actually, that wasn't as big a check as you think, but here he is, all alone, Cerrone. Trotman comes in there to help as well as time expires. So 8-1 the final in this one. A bit of a one-sided affair. The Dukes will head home and regroup and battle again on home ice, game number 3. It's a big one Tuesday night.